He is crazy. He is old. But is he a coot? It's time for the Crazy Old Coot.
Hey, you crazy old coot here. We have everything now to build an office computer. Or this would make probably a good internet computer only. I would not recommend this for anything except for very light gaming. So first we have the case. It is a Cool Master N200 case. We have the power supply, EVGA 400 watt. We have the memory. Oh, let's go with the motherboard, ASRock AB350M Micro ATX. And then we got the memory, Patriot Signature Line 8 gigabyte kit, 4 gigabyte strips. We have an M.2 500 gigabyte M.2 drive. We have the Gigabyte Radeon RX 550. And last but not least, AMD Ryzen 3 1200. So the first thing we're going to do is get this motherboard put together. You get your memory slots here, because this is your CPU slot. And here's your video card slot. And where's your M.2 slot? There is an M.2 slot. Where is it? Right there. There's your M.2 slot. Okay. So let's put these things together. Okay, so this is it all assembled. We get the memory in, the CPU in, the M.2 in, and the video card in. CPU fan to the fan header. And everything looks good. Okay, it's smoke test time. Ready to boot this baby up.
Smoke
for the first time.
Smoke test.
And we've got CPU spinning. I don't know. The video card isn't spinning yet. Oh, there it goes. And now the monitor. Will it breathe life? It's alive!
What?
What? What? What?
The SSD came with Windows on it.
Oh my god.
What?
I bought a used or a refurbed ESD M.2 drive, and it looks like it's got loaded with software still. Does heaven work? Oh my word. Let's run heaven.
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, we probably don't have a graphics driver on here. Who cares? This is gonna be cool.
Oh wow, it's using the, unless it I wonder it's loading.
Does Windows 10 have built-in drivers for the RX 5 series?
I don't know. Unless it had AMD loaded already, an AMD driver. And the RX 550 is running heaven. And okay, we'll close.
Somebody's in the house.
So here it is, all put together. Okay, here are your mounting screws. Gonna make sure you get those set up right. Make sure the brackets are good. Make sure it's nice and tight. Video cards installed. And this has got a little slider down here. You got to make sure that's engaged. The I/O shield is in. The power module is installed. Cable management is but you know what it is. So it's ready to put the covers on. And there it is, all assembled, ready to push the fateful button. We have action. Ta-da! Still got to load drivers for the motherboard in. But other than that, we're almost done. And we're benchmarking. And this is all stock. This is no overclocking. Frames per second 38.4, score 967, minimum frames 18.6, max frames 77.9. AMD 1200 quad core processor. GPU Radeon RX 550. So, basically, like I said, this is an office computer. And we got this all cost together, not counting the monitor, in just the tower, was $575. So, I think it will work quite well. Hey, it's your crazy Okud here with my final thoughts. Now, I bought these parts like at the end of at the beginning of January, okay, when there were still some sales going on. I don't see those sales anymore, and graphics cards have shot up in price. I mean, I bought that RX 550 for like $90, and now they're selling them for $130. $130. I bought a 1050 Ti back in November for $130. We could go on rant on that for a long time, but let's not. So you're probably not going to get it for if you tried to do an identical build for $575, you'll probably be pushing $600. You can cut money back by, not getting a 500 gigabyte M.2, and some of the other stuff you can get a little bit cheaper. But I mean, with DDR4 prices and video card prices, I think you'd be better off waiting for the AMD APUs that are coming out in February. And I plan to build one. I'm getting parts already. to build an APU computer in February. It'll probably be March by the time I get everything. So this is your crazy old coot wishing you a good evening. Let's see. Everything is tight here. Oh, wait. That screw might be loose. Oh, I'll fix it.
What the fuck?
There. All better.